All right, folks. Today's tale from the high seas isn't about fun, sun, or those endless buffets. Nope. It's about a twisted cruise ship worker who took customer service to a whole new, horrifying level. Buckle up, because this one's not for the faint of heart. Meet Arvin Joseph Mirasol, a Royal Caribbean cabin attendant who apparently thought his job description included creep of the century. This guy had the brilliant idea to turn your family vacation into his personal horror show. How? By hiding cameras in guest rooms, yes, and getting his kicks by recording kids as young as 2 getting out of the shower. Now I know what you're thinking. That can't be real, right? Oh, it's real, all right. This guy wasn't just your run-of-the-mill pervert. He was the Picasso of peeping, hiding under beds and installing cameras like he was auditioning for the world's worst spy movie. And the kicker? When the FBI asked him why he did it, Mirasol, in his infinite wisdom, said, "I want to control it, but I can't." Oh, you can't? Well, guess who's about to help you with that, pal? The U.S. justice system. That's right, Mr. Mirasol is going away for a long, long time. 30 years to be exact. Which, if you ask me, is just enough time to think about why you should never make teen on bed your most searched phrase on your phone. So next time you're on a cruise, don't forget to check under the bed. Not for bed bugs, but for creeps like this guy. And remember, while this story is enough to make you want to cancel your vacation, it's also a reminder that sometimes justice does get served. Stay safe out there and maybe stick to the all-you-can-eat buffet, where the only thing watching you is your cholesterol. See you on the next voyage, folks.